Kunjarka, and today I'm gonna lay down this road, and today we have a curse, so we cannot pick up candy that has wrappings, like for the example, like extraction candy or skill checks, or yeah, the candy with wrappings like this, I cannot take them, I cannot. But for like box of chocolates or others, I can. That's really sad, let's drop her box of chocolate, I guess. No, she doesn't drop anything good. Fine. So I'm just following this shadow for no reason. Hi. Okay, well. No, 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 no. Still alive. Why? I cannot this. I cannot distract. My goodness, get out. Okay. No! This is bad. I never did a matchmaking and like I was already doing one heart like in vlog 3. Like that's so ridiculous. Okay. Hurry up! Go to elevator! Oh. Okay, the leaders. Let's guys, I'm gonna drop on Please take it. She was like, oh my gosh, I gotta take the bonbon. I was like, not today, Yata. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna use my bonbon. Yeah, the chocolate. I don't know where this bonbon comes. Are they? Does that mean Coco made it or something? And then like Coco is made of chocolate, like right? Like okay, don't think something weird like Coco is just a chocolate and no way I well, a bonus today. Okay, so today we're grinding for Hexen, I guess. Like no, Bassy for Bassy. Yes. Joke or not, because I cannot grind for Bassy because it's just too hard and the event is gonna end soon, I guess. So it doesn't. I don't have time to grind for that. So let's just play it safely, like no grinding or others. Yeah. I see a machine. And Yada stop. Oh no, I want to take the chocolate, but it has wrappings. Let's just extract this. Oh yeah. Is there a box of chocolates? Oh no. No, it's not. No! Why? Okay. Oh, look at this tank. This is beautiful. And there's shrimp. Oh. No. That was crazy! Oh my god. I'm at 1 heart right now and then I don't know what to do. So I gotta be patient. Never mind, I want that. So let's give them a speed boost. So they're just gonna help the others, I think. I don't even know. And today I think I'm gonna edit the video. Like putting overlays, I guess. I don't know because I'm recording right now and I cannot know if this is Rogers. Roger, is that you? Oh yeah, it has like what the? What in the freaky? What is this? Girl, what is this? A polar bear hand? Blood, that's not you, Blood. Why are you? Why are there like freaky hands? No, you're not Blood. I thought this was a polar bear hand. Like polar bears are white, right? Okay, good. Now the Blood is freaky. Not him doing the T-pose. Oh my god. I gotta screenshot this real quick. Stop. What is that? Exxon, what the heck? So weird. So freaky. Oh, finally they load up. God, please stop doing the T-pose. T-pose. Stop. Do another pose. Like, isn't he supposed to sit? How is he doing that? That's so crazy. I kinda hate being in the Easter floor because there was like creepy sounds, so that's why I really hate it. And this floor, like, I really wanna leave fast. Okay, I'm not doing that circle machine, so let's do this one instead. No, I'm waiting for Yana to finish the machine. I need okay, so. Oh no. Okay, we're back in the elevator, and now we're gonna look at Dundee's shop. No way. Today's curses. I cannot eat candies that has wrappings, like except for box of chocolate, because I think they're in the box, so they're not using wrappings like the others. This is using wrappings, so I'm not buying that. I cannot eat that. So the available candies and things are heels and ew, what is that? Ew! Icor puddle? Ew, bro! Ew. What is this? Yeah, this Icor puddle is so annoying. But, Squirm, you didn't see this machine? Okay, good. Wait! Oh. Wait a minute. Wait, I don't want this. I want the walking machine. Can I extract? Oh my god, yes. What's my machine? Oh, here it is. Hey, Squirm, this is my machine! Oh, okay. Oh no! I hate that. Okay, so there's an air horn here. Let's take it. Yeah, like these are fun to use. Like if someone wants our machine and then I say like no, and then use their air horn just to scare them away. So that's why I'm taking these. Okay, well, oh no, I gotta take the chocolate, but okay, I really want to take that. Wait, where's the air horn? No, I didn't pick up the air horn. No, I accidentally didn't pick that up. Oh my god, no way, no. I need that air horn, but I didn't take it. Wait, did I take it, guys? I think I gotta replay the video because I don't know did I take it or not. No! Okay, is this average Coco's inventory? Because, like, full of bonbons, is that real? Yeah, like, why not? I'm gonna follow this Yada because I'm gonna steal her box of chocolate. Boom. Capsule. Follow the Yada. Wow! Wow. Pick up that basket. No! Yata! The evil version of Yata. No. 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 Okay, good. Get off. I'm sorry, Squirm. I didn't mean to. Wait, is that my fault? I don't know. Well, actually, I gotta take something that can refill my stamina, but like, I haven't seen this poster. But I need something to refill my stamina, and I just remembered that there's a new stamina can. Oh, evil twin sister. Oh my god. Wait, what? My sister, like, this is my twin but evil. I better run. I cannot say that. Ew. Okay, let's just. I don't know what to say actually, but I don't know. Let's just chill up here, drinking soda. What does that list says? Morse code, I guess. I don't know. What? What is that? No, that is a nasty Pokemon.